Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Subaru Sambar. This Sambar has a water-cooled Subaru 4-cylinder gasoline engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has 57,437 original miles. It does come with 4 doors. The rear doors are sliding doors, and it comes with a rear hatch as well. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As you can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number y'all are seeing up here, that is the kilometers, 92,438. The miles on it again is 57,437. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions y'all may have. I would like to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. We really appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean the world to us. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.